In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your GeoTrax train when it's not responding to the remote, covering battery, channel, and reconnect issues. First, check the batteries in both the train and the remote. Replace them with fresh batteries to ensure proper power. Weak batteries can cause connection problems. Next, make sure the train and remote are on the same channel. Many GeoTrax remotes and trains use channels to avoid interference. Check the instructions to see how to set or sync the channel on both devices. If the train still doesn't respond, try turning both the train and remote off, then back on. This reset can clear minor glitches. Ensure there's no obstruction between the remote and train. The remote uses infrared signals, so a clear line of sight is needed. If you recently changed the batteries, press all buttons on the remote once to reset it before trying again. Sometimes, the train may need to be repaired with the remote. Follow the pairing instructions in your GeoTrax manual to reconnect the devices. If none of these steps work, the remote or train's receiver might be faulty. Consider contacting customer support or replacing the remote. Following these steps should get your GeoTrax train responding to the remote again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.